Good morning from Amed. Today we are doing a rescue course, and when I was a novice diver, I stopped on an advanced level just because I didn't see the point to continue, because the advanced course gave me all I needed. So I was able to dive to 30 meters, I was able to dive night dives, everything I needed at that moment. And then in some point I decided that it's a time to become a Divemaster, because I opened a dive center in Riga, in Latvia, and at that point, because of the Divemaster, I needed a rescue course. And only during the rescue course I understood how actually important is this course. Then it changed my approach to everything. And I think all these open water divers doing the deep dives without any understanding how dangerous it can be. And most of the advanced divers don't understand actually, or they don't know what to do in an emergency situation. So rescue course, in my opinion at the moment, is the base course every diver should have. That's the knowledge all of us need, because the emergencies happen not during only like a higher level courses like advanced, but as emergencies happens in any situation. It doesn't matter what level diver you are, open water, advanced, Divemaster, instructor, emergencies may happen. It doesn't have to be something serious always. But let's say you ascend to the surface, you cannot inflate your BCD. Yes, we teach what to do in an open water diver course, but without the proper training and the regular training, you will just get lost and you will get in a trouble and you will have a lot of stress. I've seen so many open waters in a simple situations getting a stress, and if you don't know how to deal with it, then it's a trouble. So going in the water, going to finish our rescue course, couple of skills left, rescue 7, and what else, 2 scenarios, that's it. So then the rescue course is done. See you a little bit later. A little bit rainy outside now. At the moment it's around of midday, and that's how the rain season looks like in Bali. In the morning it's all good, so no rain at all. So then there's the rain, and then the afternoon will be without the rain again. This is after the rain, because there has been pretty strong rain today. So it's on a street. The streets are completely flooded in some places. There's a trail which usually we walk to the sea. Now it looks like a swamp. Look at this. All the rainbows have been going all the way up to this place. and it's like the beach sand being working as a barrier, and all this plastic didn't get into the sea. But it's just the next rain and it will be in. So yesterday's swimming adventure is over, and now it's time to do something else. I'll look for another adventure. We have already a plan to hike this beauty on my back, Mount Agong, and we're gonna do it on the 20th of December. Why 20th of December? Because I checked the weather prognosis and we found that the weather getting better on these dates, so there will be more sun. On the top of on a summit of the Agong, it will be still only 10 degrees. Kind of cold, but I've been on the top there already and it's not that bad actually. All you have to have is long trousers and some sweater. Yeah, we decided that it's a good time to go, and that's the plan. Like I said, weather here in Bali during the rain season is not that bad. In the mornings until some 12 o'clock, it's maybe it's partially cloudy, but it's not rain. So rain starts usually around midday, then for a couple of hours it's rainy, and then it's like at the moment really fresh and cool air. What I like actually about this part of the Bali, because we are located so close to the mountains, in the evening it's cool air coming down of the mountains and it's giving some refreshment. At the moment we are not even using air cons anymore, just because it's really comfortable temperature at the moment. The temperature at the moment is about 28 degrees Celsius. I like this weather. I don't know, it's like super comfortable. All the salt pads is flooded at the moment, so salt season is definitely over. Everything is prepared for the next season. That's it. For today, that's it. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And see you tomorrow again. Ciao.